So you just got your RV cover on. This is a Camco, and one of the reasons why we bought it was it had this self-adjusting strap hold-down system, which is pretty cool. This pouch has a little piece of flat metal in there, real flexible, and what you do is you just bend it to like this, and then you find a spot to hook it underneath your camper, your RV. It's getting kind of dark, but I hooked it to the, in this case, the gas line running from the front to the back. And here's a better example. Hooked to the step, and then just cinched it up to the adjusting strap, and it holds it really nice. It's kind of a windy day, and a second ago I had a little gust of wind come through, and it doesn't move at all. It's a really neat design. All right, enjoy.